Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to link your PayPal account to your TikTok account. So the first step is to make sure you have a PayPal account. The next step is to make sure you have created a TikTok account. The next thing is to click on your profile icon. The next thing is to click on the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on balance option. Clicking on balance option, it will take you to this phase where you have to click on live reward. Clicking on your live reward is going to take you to this phase of your TikTok where you have to click on withdraw. Clicking on withdraw is going to take you to this phase where you have to click on manage. At the top right, you see the red words called manage. Click on it. Clicking on it, you just have to click on add payment method. Clicking on add payment method is going to take you to this phase of your TikTok where you have to select the country or region of your choice that want to connect it to, and for this video I'm going to be choosing Nigeria. So this is Nigeria, and just click on Nigeria and click on done. Clicking on Nigeria, and just have to select payment method, which is PayPal payment method. That is the only payment method available for Nigeria, so I just have to click on it. Clicking on it is going to take me to this phase of my TikTok where I have to type in the code sent to the phone number that I use for registering my TikTok in order to confirm that I am the owner of the TikTok. So I just have to wait for the code to be sent to my TikTok. So waiting for the code to be sent to my TikTok, I just have to type in the code. So this is the code, and I have to also agree and continue. This is the terms of service. I just have to agree to it. The next thing is to add my PayPal account. You must have created your PayPal account before you be able to add your PayPal account to your TikTok accounts. So I've created my, I just have to click on add PayPal account. So clicking on it is going to take me to this phase of my TikTok where I have to type in the Gmail account that I use for creating my PayPal account. So I'm just going to type in the Gmail properly the way it is. So this is the Gmail account, and click on next. Clicking on next is going to bring this phase where I have to type in the password for my PayPal account. So I just have to type in the proper password for my PayPal account and click on login. Clicking on login is going to take me to this phase of my TikTok where I have to allow it to process for some time in order to perform security check. So during the process, it's going to be checking if my details in my TikTok and my PayPal account, if they are same or alike. The next thing is to agree and continue and connect to the next thing is to agree and connect my PayPal account to my TikTok account. This process, you just have to click on agree and continue. So you are going to leave your PayPal account to connect to your TikTok account, which is not going to take that long. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.